In today's video, we're going to talk about a side hustle that's gaining a ton of traction in the travel and hospitality space, becoming a villa or Airbnb service agent. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you've ever scrolled through Airbnb and thought, I could help owners run these places so much better, this is for you. As travel bounces back and people crave unique stays, property owners are struggling to keep up with the demand of hosting. That's where service agents step in. They're the behind-the-scenes pros who manage listings, coordinate guest experiences, and keep everything running smoothly. The best part is you don't need to own to make money in this industry. So by the end of the video, you'll know exactly what this role involves, how to find clients, and the tools you can use to turn this into a profitable side hustle or even a full-time business. Let's get into it. So let's clear up what this role means. A service agent isn't the same as a property manager who handles everything from maintenance to cleaning. Instead, your job is to help property owners manage the parts of hosting that overwhelm them. Things like guest communication, listing optimization, check-in coordination, or even marketing their rental online. Think of it as being the virtual assistant for a vacation rental. You're there to make the host's life easier and the guest's experience better. That could mean responding quickly to booking inquiries, updating pricing based on demand, arranging cleaning crews, or even creating a digital welcome guide for guests. The beauty of this side hustle is flexibility. You can focus on a few services you're really good at, like guest messaging and scheduling, or expand to offer full service support for multiple villas and Airbnb homes. So now let's chat about why this is a growing opportunity. Short-term rentals are booming. Airbnb alone has millions of listings worldwide, and many hosts are busy professionals who don't have time to manage the day-to-day. At the same time, travelers have higher expectations. They want smooth communication, spotless spaces, and a touch of personalization. The gap creates a perfect opportunity for service agents. Property owners are willing to pay for someone who can step in and make sure their rental earns 5-star reviews without them being glued to their phone 24/7. And unlike traditional property management, you don't need to be local. Much of the work like communication, scheduling, and marketing can be done completely remote. Step 1, decide on your services. Before you start, it really helps to get clear on what you're going to offer. Some common services include handling guest communications before, during, and after stays, updating calendars and pricing on Airbnb, VRBO, or Booking.com, coordinating cleaning or maintenance crews, designing welcome books or digital guides for guests, helping hosts with marketing and branding. You really don't need to offer everything. Start with what feels doable and valuable. Maybe you're a great communicator and want to focus on guest messaging. Or maybe you have a design eye and want to specialize in creating listings that really stand out. If you're leaning towards designing and branding support, tools like Canva are a must. You can create beautiful welcome guides, property brochures, or even branded templates for social media. It's quick, easy, and instantly makes your services more professional. If you want to check out Canva, I've left that link down in the description below. So with Canva, I just want to note that I do have the Pro plan. A lot of these templates only work with the Pro plan or up. They do have a free plan and it works great. You just don't have as many templates or as much storage, and some of the features are limited, but you could always start with that. Let's just type in home rental brochure. Here we go. Even something as simple as this, right? How to get connected to the network, the house rules, things to know. But even if you made a full booklet of maybe things to do around wherever the Airbnb or rental property is located, there's so much you can do, and Canva makes it so easy. So all you would have to do is customize this template. You can even add a page. You want to add a separate little fun things to do page, you can do that. You can, of course, make the branding match whatever the vibe of your client would be, or the owner of the Airbnb or rental property. So again, this is where that customization comes in, and it's also fun and creative as well. Again, if you want to check out Canva, that link is down below. I pretty much use it every single day in my business for a million different things. Step number 2 is to get your systems in place. Once you know what services you'll offer, you need systems to stay organized. With multiple properties or clients, things can get messy super quick if you're not tracking details. This is where project management tools come in. A platform like ClickUp or Notion can really help you organize bookings, to-do lists, and cleaning schedules all in one place. You can set reminders for guest check-ins, create workflows for responding to inquiries, and even share dashboards with clients so they can see updates in real time. I would highly recommend going with ClickUp if you kind of want it more done for you, but if you you love customization, Notion is such a great option. You can build a custom workspace that tracks everything from guest messaging to cleaning schedules to financial records. Many service agents use Notion to create professional looking reports they share with the property owners at the end of each month as well. The key is to present yourself as organized and reliable. The more you can show clients that you've got the details under control, the more they're going to trust you with their properties. ClickUp is such an easy way to make sure everything is up and running and organized. So you have different views that you can create, and you can customize all of the fields, all of the headings, and create a custom pipeline to just keep everything organized. It is so helpful. And then, like I said, Notion is a bit different where you customize everything, but they have so many templates, free and paid, that you can go ahead and use as well. Step number 3 is finding your first clients. So how do you actually land your first gig as a villa or Airbnb service agent? Start by networking in local groups, both online and offline. Facebook groups for hosts, Airbnb community forums, or even local real estate meetups are all great places where property owners might hang. Another smart move is to create a simple website showcasing your services. Even just a landing page with your bio, a list of services, and contact info can really set you apart. There are so many hosting and website builders out there, but one of our favorites is Bluehost. It's very affordable and beginner friendly, and it'll just allow you to get online quickly. There's also Wix. There's a million out there, so find one that you are comfortable with. But having a site just really signals to potential clients that you're serious and professional. And if you don't want to build a website right away, you can consider freelancing platforms. So sites like Fiverr are full of property owners looking for help with specific tasks like listing optimization or guest communication. It's a great way to get experience, build reviews, and start generating income without having to pitch directly. Step 4, delivering a great guest experience. At the end of the day, everything comes down to guest experience. Your goal as a service agent is to help property owners earn 5-star reviews, because great reviews mean more bookings and higher profits. That means being responsive to guest messages, creating clear instructions for check-in and check-out, and making sure the property feels welcoming. Small touches like suggesting a welcome basket or providing a local restaurant guide can make such a huge difference. And if you're not sure how to put these materials together, like I said, Canva is perfect for creating those polished branded documents that really wow guests. Step 5, scaling your side hustle. Once you've worked with a few clients and built some confidence, you can scale your services. Some agents specialize in luxury villas, charging premium rates for full service management. Others focus on building a portfolio of smaller Airbnb properties, offering streamlined packages. If you're serious about building this out, think of it as more than a side hustle. You're essentially creating a hospitality business. Lastly, I just want to talk about some mistakes to avoid, because like any side hustle, there are pitfalls to watch out for. One common mistake is overpromising what you can deliver. If you're managing multiple properties but can't realistically respond to guest messages within an hour, be upfront about your availability. Another mistake is not setting clear boundaries. Some property owners might expect you to handle things that fall outside of your role, like maintenance or repairs. Be clear from the start about what you will and won't do. Finally, don't underestimate the importance of communication. Guests expect quick, clear responses, and property owners expect regular updates. Having templates or systems in place will save you time and ensure you never miss a message. Becoming a villa or Airbnb service agent is one of the most exciting ways to break into the travel and hospitality industry without owning property yourself. It's flexible, it's in high demand, and it rewards people who are organized, creative, and great with communication. I know how overwhelming it can feel to break into a new side hustle, but the truth is villa and Airbnb service agents are really in demand right now. And starting small with just a few clients can open the door to a flexible and profitable business. If you're ready to get started, all of the links that I mentioned are down in the description below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. We just want to thank you so much in advance for your support. It just helps us to continue to create free content just like this. This channel is dedicated to help solopreneurs, creators, and small business owners find practical, creative ways to turn their skills into income. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.